and that's the engineering session. It is just accidental that this panel is more men and less women. I'm so sorry about it. I never realized some of the panels have got lopsided. I think in the morning we had the medical field where we had more women and less men, and in the engineering we have more men and less women. There was no intention. Today, engineering is also being pursued by both the genders equally. Similarly, is the medical field. It's just an accident that it's happened. Don't misunderstand. Aman, you're not the only one. We know that you have a battalion of people in the field of engineering. I'm really happy to introduce Mr. Vineet Kotak, Dr. Vineet Kotak. I'm sorry, in the years that he's spent time with us, he's been with us for many, many years. And it was time when he was pursuing his doctorate, and I keep telling him, Mr., but he's earned it out of his own efforts. And therefore, we address you as Dr. Vineet Kotak, who's the Vice Principal of Shine Anchor, College of Engineering. I would really like to thank him for the contribution he makes to the Kutchi community. કચ્છી જો છોકરો કે છોકરી જો એન્જિનિયરિંગ ફિલ્ડ में વે અને વિનીત કે ન ઓળખતા હોય એનો બહુ ઓછો બને સો અને વિનીત પણ હી કચ્છ જો જાય પણ કેવીઓ નહીં બટ he is more familiar to the KVO because of the institution where he spent maximum part of his life, and I would like him to take over the session, and maybe he will introduce the rest of the speakers and take it further.
Thank you, Ilaben. I take this opportunity to thank the organizers of this event to have given me this continuous opportunity to interact with all of you. Yes, she was right that even though I may not be a KVO, but it's been 31 years that I've been associated with the Shine Anchor Kutchi Engineering College, which is a part and parcel of KVO community. This is supposed to be my first job, and with your blessings and your best wishes, maybe the last job of my life. So thank you all of you for being there with me. Engineering course. I'm very happy that, after the woman power which you saw on the stage, there is some manpower. And let me tell you, Ilaben, it is a good thing because audience also gets bored. Many a times, oh, woman power, they thoda change mangta hai. See, so it's a commercial break for the audience also that kabhi to men bhi dikhte hain yaar yahan pe. Because women power, everybody knows, the Home Minister is more powerful than the Prime Minister, right? So there is no doubt about it. So वो वैसे ही रहने वाला है. Anyway, before I begin this session, મારે એક જ વાત જે મારા અનુભવથી મેં એક્સપિરિયન્સ કરી છે કે જ્યારે આપણો છોકરો 10thમાં આવે છે અને સ્પેસિફિકલી તમે ડિસાઇડ કરો છો કે 10th પછી એ સાયન્સ લેવાનો છે કે ઇવન 10thમાં જ તમે ચાલુ થઈ જાઓ છો અરે ભણે જો આએ આખો દી ટીવી નેરે જો ના આए મોબાઈલ તે જ આખો દિવસ ટાઈમ પાસ કરે તો કડે ભણ દો કડે કોરો કર દો. See, let me tell you one thing, that gone are those days when you and I were studying in our 10th standard, where our goal was fixed. कि 10th में અહીંયા 10th પોઈ મૂકે સાયન્સ ગણે જો આય કે કોમર્સ ગણે જો આય પછી બોth choice हुआ. This today's generation is very smart and they have done their homework very well. Thanks to the internet, thanks to Google Baba, that anything and everything is available on the internet. To the young generation, one suggestion, one humble request. No doubt you have everything on the net, you have everything on the palm, you are the smarter generation. At a click of a button, you can actually get anything and everything. But please verify the authenticity of the information which you are actually accessing on the net. અહીં જે ઇન્ફોર્મેશન નેટ તે નેરોતા કે જાણોતા એ કેટલી સચ્ચાઈ है इनमें કે કેટલું truth है ही અહીં પ્લીઝ વેરીફાઈ કરજા ને તો કોઈ you will be dragged in a different direction. parents, you know your children better than anybody. So I know many of the speakers must have come and told this very commonly, ke, please let your child decide what career or he or she has to follow. And but then my suggestion is that you have observed your child very well, right from his birth to till date, and you know his mindset. You may have also gone to a lot of counselors, you may have also referred to a lot of tests. You must have gone through various tests, and then you must have said, okay, fine, those test results are saying that my child is more towards, say, engineering, or more towards medical, or more towards dramatics. That is all said and done, fine. But also, when you are taking a decision, children, please understand this, that when you are taking a decision, please keep in mind one more parameter, that what is your family background, what is your circle in which you are, what are the resources which are available to you. ऐसा ना हो कि you take a field where you are totally all alone, secluded, and then you don't have resources, and then you are trying to run hand and mouth, where then later on it becomes very difficult for you to cope up with whatever field you have selected. Coming to engineering, yes, there were only two fields once upon a time, that either वो मेडिकल में जाएगा या डॉक्टर में जाएगा या फिर सॉरी इंजीनियरिंग में जाएगा, उसके पहले साइंस लेगा या कॉमर्स लेगा. But today I'm happy that in so many years this particular organizers have done a wonderful job to create so much of awareness of so many fields. To be very honest, आज तक अभी भी मुझे काफ़ी सारे फील्ड्स के बारे में पता नहीं रहता है, जो मैं यहाँ पे आके बैठता हूँ और मुझे इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलता है. आई गो बैक होम, आई गो थ्रू द बुकलेट्स, आई गो थ्रू दिस पर्टिकुलर प्रेजेंटेशन, एंड देन आई ऑल्सो ब्रश अप. अच्छा, ये भी नया फील्ड आ गया है अभी. सो दैट इज़ वन थिंग वेरी गुड. सेकेंड थिंग इज़ दैट ऑलवेज हम बोलते हैं कि हमारा लक्ष्य फिक्स होना चाहिए, कि अगर आपको इंजीनियरिंग करना है तो आपको इंजीनियरिंग ही करना है. बट उसके अंदर भी आपको अवेयरनेस होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. इंजीनियरिंग में मैं कौन सा फील्ड करूं सर, कौन सा फील्ड मेरे लिए बेस्ट है, कौन से फील्ड में प्लेसमेंट्स है, कौन से फील्ड में काफ़ी सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ है, कौन से फील्ड में मैं हायर स्टडीज़ करूंगा तो मुझे अब्रॉड जाने मिलेगा, या कौन से फील्ड में मैं परस्यू करूंगा तो मुझे रिसर्च, या अभी का नया टॉक ऑफ द टाउन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप और इनोवेशन और स्टार्टअप्स. These are a lot of jargons and words which are moving around in this thing, but for you, majority, I was told that majority of you are from the 10th standard. इतना ज़्यादा सोचिए मत, आप इतना ही सोचिए. 10th standard में आपको पहले तो क्लियर करना है. 10th standard is one standard where आपका बेस बन जाएगा, और धीरे धीरे आप डिसाइड करिए कि आपको साइंस या कॉमर्स में जाना है. अगर साइंस में जाना है और इंजीनियरिंग की इच्छा है तो दिस प्रेजेंटेशन इज मेंट फॉर यू. एज फार एज इंजीनियरिंग एडमिशंस आर कंसर्न, काफ़ी सालों से दो ही चीज़ आती है कि आपको या तो महाराष्ट्र CET अपीयर करना है या फिर JEE देना है. JEE इज़ दी ऑल इंडिया लेवल एंट्रेंस एग्जामिनेशन. JEE में दो लेवल्स होते हैं, एक JEE मेंस होता है और JEE एडवांस्ड होता है. 10th के बाद जब आपके बच्चे को आप 11th में डालोगे तो सब पेरेंट्स यही चाहते हैं कि मेरा बच्चा IIT के लिए जाए या NITs के लिए जाए. सो एवरीबडी इज टारगेटिंग द JEE एडवांस्ड. नो प्रॉब्लम, गो फॉर इट. बिकॉज एक ही चीज़ मैं कहना चाहता हूँ कि यू ऑलवेज एम फॉर द स्काईज, सो एटलीस्ट यू लैंड अप ऑन अ कोकोनट ट्री. सो अगर IIT और NITs की अपेक्षा करोगे, आप सक्सेस हो गए, नो डाउट, हम विल बी द मोस्ट हैप्पीएस्ट पर्सन बिकॉज हमारे कम्युनिटी का बच्चा आगे बढ़ रहा है. बट यदि आप वहाँ नहीं पहुँचे तो कोई बात नहीं. देयर आर लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ स्कोप्स इन इंजीनियरिंग इन अदर इंस्टीट्यूट्स, इन अदर यूनिवर्सिटीज ऑल्सो. बट क्या होता है कि अभी से ही अगर आपका लक्ष्य उधर तक है तो आपका एफर्ट्स उस डायरेक्शन में होगा. यू विल पुट इन लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स. अरे શું વાત કરે છે યાર, મારા બાજુના બક્કાને તો 60% બી એન્જિનિયરિંગમાં એડમિશન મળી ગયું. 60% મળી જાય છે, એડમિશન મળી જાય છે, નો પ્રોબ્લેમ એટ ઓલ. બટ દેન what is the future of that child, whether he is able to cope up, whether he is able to maintain that academic consistency, and whether he has got a good job. Because every time મારું ને અહીંયા ઘણા બધા મહારથીઓ છે જે લોકો સાથે મારી બહુ ડિબેટ થાય છે. I will use the word debate, કે નહીં એન્જિનિયરિંગમાં હવે નોકરી ના કે ના. Every second day the newspaper says that only 8% of the Asian Indians, mind you, I'm using the word Asian Indians, are employable. Asian Indian engineers are employable. Challenges कौन से फील्ड में नहीं है? मेडिकल फील्ड में देखिए, मेडिकल में एडमिशन के लिए कितना चैलेंजेस है. तो उधर पहले चैलेंजेस है, यहाँ पे बाद में चैलेंजेस है. बट देन इफ यू गेट द राइट कॉलेज, if you get the right environment, if you get the right geography, let me tell you, your child is going to sail through that particular field. But if you don't get the right college, then the challenges begin. So अगर आपको आपके चॉइस का ब्रांच नहीं मिलता है, बट आपको एक अच्छा कॉलेज मिलता है, प्लीज गो फॉर दैट. बिकॉज टुडे इंजीनियरिंग का एक बेस्ट पार्ट क्या हो गया है कि आपकी जो स्पेशलिटी है, आप सपोज आप बोल रहे कि मैं एक कंप्यूटर इंजीनियर, बिकॉज अभी एक हवा चल रही, कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग, कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग, कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग. एक कंप्यूटर इंजीनियर को जब वो ग्रेजुएट होगा तो उसको जब वो काम पे लगेगा, अपना एक प्रोजेक्ट बनाएगा, वो सिर्फ अकेला नहीं कर पाएगा. टुडे इट्स अ टाइम ऑफ कोलैबोरेशन. दैट मीन्स एक कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग को मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग की भी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, सिविल इंजीनियर की भी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग की भी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, और इलेक्ट्रॉनिक टेलीकम्युनिकेशन इंजीनियरिंग की भी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी. दैट मीन्स उसके टीम में इतने सारे लोग रहेंगे. सो बी रेस्ट अश्योर्ड, डोंट वरी एट ऑल. जो भी ब्रांच मिलता है, कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन द गुड कॉलेज सो दैट यू गेट अ गुड प्लेसमेंट और अ गुड अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. ओके, सो आई विल नॉट टेक मच ऑफ योर टाइम because there is some presentation which I was told that I have to present. So anyway, okay, what exactly is engineering and what is the scope? What scope does engineering have? Okay, engineering एक सिंपल भाषा में अगर मैं कहता हूँ तो यदि आपकी दूरदृष्टि सही है, आप अगर कुछ इमेजिन कर सकते हो, आज अभी यहाँ पे बैठे हो और आपने सोचा कि यार इधर बहुत गर्म हो रहा है, एसी बराबर नहीं है, काश मेरे हाथ में एक रिमोट होता तो मैं उसको कंट्रोल करता था, तो मैं उसका टेम्परेचर चेंज करता था. बिकॉज अगर आप वो यू आर फीलिंग सफोकेटेड, क्या होता है, यू आर लुकिंग आउट फॉर समबडी एंड दैट बाय द टाइम दैट रिमोट कम्स इन योर हैंड, इट इज टाइम गोज बाय. बट इमेजिन अ सिनारियो वेयर आपके हाथ में ही वो कंट्रोल है, आपके फ़ोन में वो कंट्रोल है, आप सीधा एसी को कम ज़्यादा कर सकते हैं. उससे बेस्ट चीज़ क्या हो सकती है. सो इंजीनियरिंग का एक ही प्रॉब्लम है कि आप एक प्रॉब्लम देखिए, उस प्रॉब्लम के ऊपर आप प्रयत्न करिए, उसका एक सोल्यूशन ढूंढने का प्रयास करिए. 10-15 साल पहले कौन हम लोग क्या सोच सकते थे कि हमारे पास एक मोबाइल फ़ोन है, जिस मोबाइल फ़ोन से हम व्हाट्सअप कॉल, वीडियो व्हाट्सअप कॉल कर सकते हैं. नहीं तो ISD वॉज अ बिग चैलेंज, ISD वॉज अ बिग expense which we used to think, but today it's just at the click of a button, at no cost. A video call is being made, you're sitting here, somebody, your daughter or your son is in America and you're talking to them, actually looking at each other. That is technology. But अगर हम साइंस की बात करें तो साइंस बोलेगा नहीं ये है तो यही है, बट इंजीनियर क्या बोलेगा, ये है तो क्यों है, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, मैं उसको पलटने की कोशिश करूँगा. That is what is an engineer, and that's what we need to really understand. Okay. I'll not go into this details of, because as I told you, it's a simple thing, that is the application of scientific principles to provide feasible solution to problems in real life. That is what is engineering. Just read through this, the difference between science and engineering. That science says it's a natural phenomena. Engineering says no, it's maintenance and development of things. It is the study of what is science, and it says, engineering says it is there, but can it be this way? So every time an engineer goes on asking a question, who, why, where, can it be this, can it be that? Or scientists study the world as it is, and the engineers create the world that never has been. Okay, Sophia, I don't know how many of you have heard about Sophia or IBM Watson. Sophia के बारे में सुना है? यंग जनरेशन ने रजनीकांत के बारे में सुना होगा, रोबोट 2 वर्जन, रोबोट 2.0. रोबोट 2.0. आज चाइना में यू हैव रोबोट्स हु आर एक्चुअली घर का काम भी रोबोट्स ही करते हैं. And for the older men and women, they actually work like a companion. So you actually have a robot who's actually doing anything and everything for those people. So that is what an engineer says, that okay, that we can do anything which never has been. So what do engineers do? They invent, innovate, design, build, maintain, research, improve. In short, engineers can do anything and everything in this world except for fiddling around with the human body. In fact, they have started doing that also, because if you go to the hospitals today, the so-called multi-specialist hospital, the doctors cannot do anything without an engineer's report or the instruments report which they take. पहले आप hospital में जाओगे बोलेगे ये टेस्ट करके आइए. वो टेस्ट जो मशीन्स में है वो कौन मेंटेन करता है? इंजीनियर्स आर डूइंग दैट. सो engineers are penetrated in every field. 15 years before, we were hesitant to enter into a BMC office. But today I'm proud to be in Mumbai and the Mumbai Municipal Corporation. When I go there, at the click of a button, I get a document which is 15 years old. That is the strength of engineering. Okay. How do engineers do it, or what? By applying मैथमेटिक्स. द वेरी फर्स्ट थिंग पर्पजली हैव रिटन मैथमेटिक्स, बिकॉज क्या होता है कि जब बच्चा इंजीनियरिंग में एंट्री मारता है तो उसके पहले खाली 11th-12th में मैथमेटिक्स करता है, और इंजीनियरिंग में एंट्री मारने के बाद वो मैथमेटिक्स के कंसेप्ट को बाजू में रख देता है. बट विदाउट मैथमेटिक्स यू जस्ट कांट ब्रीथ इंजीनियरिंग. ओके. साइंटिफिक एविडेंस, एक्सपेरिमेंटल एविडेंस, सोशल नॉलेज, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज अगर आपके आजू बाजू का सोशल नॉलेज ही नहीं है तो आप उसके लिए सोल्यूशन नहीं बना सकते, एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. I'm going to concentrate only on this soft engineering and maybe a little bit of mechanical engineering, because I have a teammate who will be talking on the civil engineering part aspect. Purposely, I've selected only these branches today, okay? But there are n number of branches which you can always go and Google, because these are the core engineering and the soft engineering which is popular. Why should I go for engineering? The slide is self-explanatory. Only one thing, the last line, this personal satisfaction, and not only that, more than that, it is a social credibility. The social credibility which you have in the society is much more important rather than any other thing. Okay. Coming to mechanical engineering, because as a teacher of so many years, every time during admission time, the parents come, sir, मेरे बच्चे को mechanical engineering में जाना है. क्यों जाना है? नहीं सर, उसको interest है. दूसरा पेरेंट आएगा, सर मेरे बच्चे को कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग में जाना है. सर मैं बोला क्यों जाना है उसको इंजीनियरिंग में? नहीं सर, मेरे बच्चे को कंप्यूटर में इंटरेस्ट है. एंड दिस क्वेश्चन इज रियली अ बिग क्वेश्चन मार्क. जब आपका बच्चा 8th स्टैंडर्ड में जाता है, वो फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायोलॉजी की जो पुस्तक हाथ में लेता है, उसको क्या पता था कि फिजिक्स क्या है, केमिस्ट्री क्या है, बायोलॉजी क्या है? क्या उसको इंटरेस्ट था तभी? बट क्या हो गया है कि आज के जनरेशन में जो हवा चल रही है, मेरे बाजू बाजू वाले बोलते हैं नहीं मैकेनिकल ब्रांच इज़ वेरी पॉपुलर और कंप्यूटर ब्रांच इज़ वेरी पॉपुलर, या सिविल ब्रांच इज़ वेरी पॉपुलर, बिकॉज आजकल बहुत सारे रीडेवलपमेंट हम देखते हैं. इट्स बिकम अ सिटी ऑफ कॉन्क्रीट. इट्स नॉट दैट. प्लीज़ डोंट गो बाय दैट. ओके. आप पहले उसे स्टडी करिए, बच्चे के साथ बैठिए, वेदर वो कोप अप कर पाएगा कि नहीं कर पाएगा, बिकॉज एवरी ब्रांच हैज़ इट्स ओन चैलेंजेस. और यदि आपके बच्चे में अगर वो क्रिएटिविटी नहीं है, उसके अंदर जो ये नहीं है, क्या बोलते हैं, उसमें हार्डशिप करने का नहीं है, तो प्लीज़ आप इंजीनियरिंग में मत डालिए. बट इंजीनियरिंग के अलावा बहुत सारे ऐसे फील्ड्स है जहाँ पे जिसके थ्रू वो he can become a professional. Okay, my slides are all self-explanatory, so please try to read that, because I won't be reading it. The slides are meant for you to just to give an indication. One point where I want to highlight here is that mechanical, of course, the thermodynamics is there. Mechatronics is one thing which is very much popular nowadays, and if you see in the mechatronics, it is actually a mechanical engineer, or electronics and computer engineering also is involved in that. That means this particular field is spread across various domains of engineering, and there are n number of fields. This is just one of the examples which I have given you. This pictures, if you see, they themselves will make you understand that what are the different domains which are coming together and collaborating with each other, and then they are trying to build up a solution. In case of manufacturing, today 3D printers you must have heard about. What is it? It's a combination of a mechanical engineer, a computer engineer, electronic engineer coming all together and then making a particular product which is, which can actually make a clone of our own self. Okay. Soft engineering courses, these are the most popular courses which are very popular amongst the majority of the students who are opting for engineering, because they are very simple. Students feel that it's a white collar job that they will get when they go into this. But yes, I agree. And any of these branches you get, aankh band karke le lijiye, because finally all these 4 branches converge into the same industry of IT or telecom. They are all one and the same thing, because they are the daughters of electrical branch. Okay. Olden core engineering was electrical engineering. This is the derived branches from this. If I talk about what an electronic and telecom engineering person is concerned, then there are electrical engineering disciplines which are non-linear and active electrical components such as semiconductor devices, blah, 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 blah. Everything I have taken is from the net, so please don't bother about writing down. Just go through it and you'll get it on the net, okay? You talk about the fields or the scope of an electronic engineer or a telecom engineer. Okay, you see that there's satellite, flight systems, radar and sonar systems and communication system. I've not gone by the basic small scopes of it. I've gone to the highlights of it. You know, you talk about satellite system, you talk about flight systems, you talk about radar and sonar systems, and so on and so forth. Further complex electronic switching systems, old telephone service facilities which have been merged into now the smart telephone systems, the optical fiber cabling, the IP networks, microwave transmissions, Internet of Things, which is now the in thing or the IoT, which every Tom, Dick and Harry talks about. It is the thing which will be there, and every person sitting in this room will be a slave of IoT. Okay. Talk about computer engineering. Only one slide I want to highlight, or I want to just clarify, because there is a lot of myth, there is a lot of confusion that what is computer engineering, what is computer science, and what is computer software engineering. If you ask me as a teacher of yesteryears, nothing, it's the same thing. Universities have different terminologies. Some universities offer computer science, some universities will offer computer engineering. But if you go by the definition or the actual concept, this is what it is. Okay? But don't bother at all. Computer science hai, computer engineering hai, or computer software engineering, it's one and the same thing as far as we are concerned. It only varies from this thing, because finally the applications are in the same domain, or you can actually work in the same domain. Information technology, as I told you again, it's a sister concern of computer engineering. Wherever a computer engineer goes, hand in hand an IT engineer goes. So that's why I've clubbed the two things together. And these are the scope of work where these particular domains. Autonomous robots, which I talked about, obstacle avoidance for an unattended vehicle. You have heard about Tesla. That is what it is, you know. But then let me tell you one thing. When it comes to Tesla, how does Tesla decide that if suppose it is moving across and there is a wall in front of it, and all of a sudden a small kid on the bicycle comes in front of it? How does a Tesla take a decision? Whether to save the child or go and bang on the wall, but then again the passengers who are sitting there in the vehicle will be affected. So what we call it as a moral robo. There is a lot of research which is going on that, because robo has to take a decision, and decision means it has to be a sensitive decision. कोई building गिर गया है, तो उस बिल्डिंग के मलबे में दो लोग बचे, दो लोग दबे हुए हैं, एक ये बाजू है, एक ये बाजू है, टाइम बहुत कम है, इस बंदे को मैं बचाऊं या उस बंदे को बचाऊं? Robo has to take a decision. That is a research which is really going on, and that is what the strength of engineers. So I just want you to go through the slides. Okay, there's no end. So, but then apart from whatever I've shown, because what I showed was the scope was specific to the field, but if you look into the careers in engineering, we can generalize that an engineer can also work as an administrator, consultancy, academics, research and development, planning and management, analysis, design, testing, and manufacturing. That means anywhere, any world, any domain, an engineer can work in a team. Okay. Before I conclude this a video of just 2 minutes, which will show you, because it will answer your question, that after engineering, why there are no jobs. It's not that. There are a lot of jobs available. We are into 2019, I'm talking about 2020 itself. So in 2020 itself, there are a few jobs which we have highlighted, which have got great demand, great demand. Okay, can you please play this video? It will take time. It will take time. Click. Click. Or maybe double click. I don't know, it has been transferred from a pen drive to his system, but anyway, yeah. Engineer required, right? Yeah. Anyway, because lack of time, we'll see that after the other speakers have over, we'll see if we can play that video later on. Okay, you have any queries, my email ID is there on the slide, you can always get in touch with us. Thank you, and looking forward for many of you. Yes, I will clarify one more point what Elaben said, that as far as engineering is concerned, if you see today's statistics, in fact, women have crossed the number of men in which, or the boys who have been getting admission in engineering. In fact, it's like a woman power everywhere. Even the teachers who are entering into the teaching field, are majority of them are women. Students, if you're seeing, the majority of them are girls, and girls are doing wonders. Salute to the girls. Thank you. God bless you.